other. I'm going to use another. It's not logged in. It's another account. Like I'm enter as another person. Professor Pedro Pedrosa. That's another name. The webcam is not working. It's supposed not the mic. I see the mic is working. As you see, he's using a kind of let's say. Let me see if I can. You can choose, as you see, I didn't know about that, but you can choose maybe a kind of, you can choose an image and just pick up this one. As you can see, you can even choose an image that you want, but in general you're going to use a webcam. But maybe if you are not comfortable, you can use, but until you're supposed to use a webcam. But keep in mind that webcam is not working because, as you see, I'm going to use a virtual, so it starts to work. Remember that in your case, most likely I'm going to see the webcam here, that you have to pick here, choose, and here you have the option to choose. In your case, you're supposed to use your computer. I'm using the virtual camera. But anyway, I hope that not complicate your life. So now here I'm entered as a guest. As you see, I'm not entered as a user, as a guest. That's why my name is different here. So I enter the studio. So as you see, have a message here. That's what you see. So here, keep in mind that here has a private area that you can talk to you during the live. That's what you see. Here you have the comments that people. So people, you also are going to see a copy of the comment that happened there. I'm going to show you in a minute how it works. So you can name here. As you see, you don't have the option to go on. It's up to me. Since as a administrator, I can decide. Here we have the option to maybe to share a video, that if you have video share. Here you have the option to share your screen. When you share a screen, see that you have the option to share the whole screen, as you see. Or you can choose one. You can choose, for instance, just your PowerPoint, or maybe you can choose anything you want. But I would strongly maybe recommend that you choose the whole screen, so you don't have problem. I have seen several lives and events online, people having problem to share the PowerPoint, because I believe the PowerPoint, they do a kind. I myself had this problem. You see that when you have the PowerPoint presenting, when you have the PowerPoint not presenting, they have two different threads in your computer. So, for example, now I'm presenting here, as you see. Let's see if it works. So here I'm presenting. So let's see how it appeared there. See, now it worked. But sometimes it does not work. You can choose just the presentation. I have seen some people have problem with that, because they choose this one that's not presenting. I see, it creates two threads in your computer. One is not present, the other is present. I have seen some people choose this one, they change the slide does not change live. So I have seen that happen a lot of time online. Then I think about this kind of pandemic, that you can see professors doing, I mean, very big mistake online. Sometimes it's fun. Maybe, so I choose the whole screen. As you can see, it's here, but I'm still have to, since I am the administrator, I have to make you, remember that I have two screens here. One, I am as, just to show you, one I'm already logged in, as here, my second screen, that's me, I'm as an administrator. So as an administrator, I can see you. I see here, Professor Pedro Pedrosa, Professor Pedro Pedrosa. Here I can show you, as your name will come up here.